Hey guys, this is Jason with Swan Vinyl Works. Today I'm going to show you how to install the grill bar overlay. Basically, the section with the little chunk taken out of the bottom, that's the bottom, and then the flat portion goes against your badge on your grill. So let's get started. So what you'll need for this install is some cleaning solution. I use isopropyl alcohol, 70%. Got a microfiber and trusty micro squeegee. Your package will come with one of these, so don't worry. So basically, to get started, you will clean the grill bar with your cleaning solution. Mine's already pretty clean because it's been wrapped while testing these products, but get that nice and clean. Make sure to get this edge over here and the bottom. Definitely get the bottom. If you want, you can use the micro squeegee, stuff it in this crevice over here, and run the towel up and down to get that edge all clean. Anyways, so you'll take this, peel it from the front or from the badge side, and make sure that you do not take this little piece with you. You want that to stay on the paper for now. That will come later. So once you have your piece, you can grab it from the bottom of the tape, and you will line it up down here on the badge side. Pretty much just butt it up against the corner up here and the badge, and then you will start basically just curving this around. So you can see at the top where the red meets the plastic, I cut this tape very close so that you can see what you're doing. You will have to curve this vinyl around. That is so that it will actually wrap around. So I can't just cut it to fit exactly, otherwise the rest of it doesn't fit. So you just curve it with the edge of that plastic and the red trim, and you can pull it back and reposition it as needed. It's not totally stuck down yet. So yeah, once you get to this point, just squeegee the top with your finger. Then you can take your micro squeegee and just run it along that edge. Don't press too hard because you can actually cut the film or damage the film that way. But if you just press in and go down the edge, it should work out fine for you. All right, once you've done that, you'll start on this corner right here. This is the highest tension spot. So what I usually do is just kind of pull tight and wrap it around. And then use your finger just to squeegee that out. It might be a good idea to put some heat on it, you know, at the end of the install, just to make sure that it holds well. But anyways, once you got that, then you just run your finger along this top edge and work your way down. You don't want to leave any air inside this material. And it's very easy to do that on this install. So just run your finger across that top edge and then work it down to the middle and work it down to the bottom. And if you find any air, you can pull it up from the bottom and pull the film back and squeegee that air out and keep going. Shouldn't hurt anything that way. So once you have your front edge and the top all squeegeed down, start wrapping it around the bottom, starting from this corner. Sorry about the wind. I hope that's not affecting the audio too bad. Yep, just run your finger along this bottom edge, wrap it around that corner back here, and then move down to this side. Same deal. Just kind of push that material up in there. Doesn't have to be too perfect because you can go back and squeegee it once the tape's off. This is just the initial step of this. So once you're to this point, got everything squeegeed across the bottom, you can pull the tape from this end and just slowly pull it back. All right, once you got the tape off, you can use the micro squeegee again and just kind of push all the excess material. Hopefully there's not too much, or you might have to actually trim it, which is not fun. Push that excess material into this crevice. You just run your finger across the bottom again, make sure everything's good. Even pop your head down there, make sure, yeah, everything's squeegeed. So once you have this all on, move over to the obvious red spot. So you will take this little guy right here, peel him off the backing paper, and then you pretty much just kind of feed it back in there, get it generally lined up, and then you can use the micro squeegee to tack it down. I know other companies that make these, they do them in one piece. I find that to not be the greatest solution because it's such a hard thing for somebody that's not very knowledgeable about wrap to do. I just feel like this will hold up better, it'll stay on longer, and it's more achievable for the average person to get done. So, as you can see, looks pretty sweet. So as you can see, everything's nice and tight. Not a lot of red, if any at all, is showing. See across the bottom. Got a little cutaway to avoid wrinkles popping up down there. But yeah, you just repeat the steps on the other side and then you have a fresh grill bar. Anyways, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials and more products. I appreciate your business and I hope you have a great day.